Hot tea on a rainy day and a chunky journal. What more could you ask for? Hey guys, today I'm going to be working on day 80, and it's actually day 81, this very day that I'm filming day 80. I did miss day 80 because I was keeping my grandchildren for a while and we were having a lot of fun painting and just I was enjoying their company. So I did not get my page 80 done yesterday. I'll tell you one thing I learned yesterday. Children, and we all know this, it's nothing I learned new, it's just something that was driven home to me. Children are so uninhibited by themselves and by their art. My grandson is 3 years old. He just turned 3, and he covered I don't know what size paper it was. This size paper, right here. This is what I played with yesterday. He covered a paper this size. 2 bottles of paint, blues and purples. He likes blues and purples. About 50 layers. A big old mess, painty body and everything else. It was a lot of fun. But he wasn't afraid. He just kept layering. And I kept saying, do you want a new paper? You know, because this paper's like covered. And I mean, a few white spots at the edge. And he's like, no. I said, do you want to cover the whole page? Yes. I said, okay. So he kept painting and painting. And I need more paint. And his paint, he's got a little plate. I had several little plates out. And he would gush out the paint. And it would be overflowing onto the table where I had mat and stuff. And he'd say, I need more paint. And I'm like, you got enough paint there to paint for 5 years. You don't need more paint. But I'd say, go ahead, just cheap paint. I wanted him to have fun. So he would squeeze out some more paint. He got to the point where his plate was so full and overflowing, the way he was using his paint and his brush. He couldn't tell the difference between the plate and the table. And so he would squeeze at the edge where it overflow. And oh my goodness, it was something else. I should have taken some pictures, but I was just so much enjoying the moment. I didn't even think to take pictures to share with you guys of the paint process. And my granddaughter, who just turned 6, was painting, and she took hers home. He didn't take his home. His was not dry. His didn't dry until this morning sometime. I mean, this much paint on a paper, it takes a while to dry. But he did take home a couple of papers where I helped him. We did our hand in the paint and put it on the paper, and he took those home. Those dried. And my granddaughter took hers home, and she was very neat and tidy and just not a speck of anything anywhere on her or around. It's just such a difference between, you know, night and day, but it was so much fun. Anyway, so today I'm going to do day 80. And day 81 also. I don't know if I'll film both, but I'm going to film day 80. And the reason I want to film it is because I want to use this washi tape. And I just wanted to have some fun. And I thought, oh, I'm just going to film it. And I have been dying to cover a page with washi tape and use it as the background. I think I've done a little bit in the past somewhere on one of these pages where I use washi tape in the background. A little bit here. But I want to cover the page for the most part full of washi tape, and then I'm going to put something on top of it. And you may not see the washi tape when you're done, but I just want to put it down. So that's my goal. Use up some washi tape because I love these. I've been dying to put them on paper, so that's what we're going to do. And also, I love these envelopes that I've been working at. I've been cutting off of this one so far, but I love these envelopes. I pulled those out. And then I pulled out these 2 sheets of paper because I like the greens. I want to use these greens in here, and I want to use this down here possibly. So I don't know what we're going to get, but that's what we're working with so far. I have nothing else on my table to work with. A few little scraps sitting over here from previous pages that I keep throwing off to the side. So if I need a little something, I have it, but you know, it's not part of the plan. We'll see if it comes into play, but it's not part of the plan. The plan is washi tape. Get some washi tape on my page. That's it. That's the plan so far. That's all I've got. All right, so thank you for being here. I hope you enjoy, and I will see you at the end of the video. Well, this kind of went south. It's not exactly how my mind envisioned the page turning out using the stuff I had. Although I didn't have a plan other than to use the washi tape, I still had it in my head that, I don't know, that I'd love it. And I don't know how I feel. I don't know. But I'll tell you one thing. I'm done messing with it because after a while, I start feeling a little animosity toward a page if I don't keep enjoying working on it. And so that means to me I'm done with it. Probably I'll grow to love this once I get my mind away from everything and all this clutter around me and everything, and I just see an actual picture of it. Not every page has to be perfect and wonderful, and none of my pages are perfect, believe me, but I do love a lot of the pages. I don't love every page. You know, it's just a mile marker. I'm just going to stop. I'm going to back away, and before I close out the video, I will let you know how I feel about this page for sure, because I'm going to take a break. I'm going to take Oscar outside. I'm going to just let my mind clear, and then I'm going to come back and work on today's actual page, which is day 81. And I'm probably going to keep out the same stuff because I really wanted to use this and see what I can get out of another page using the same thing, some washi tape and these papers. I don't know. We'll see what happens. So I'll see you in a minute because I'm going to turn the camera back on when I get back and give you a little update about if my mind's changed in the last 15, 20 minutes or however long I'm gone. All right? So I'll see you in a minute. Okay, I'm back and I've been gone a while, probably 30 minutes maybe, a little longer, I'm not sure, I didn't check. And I got to pull a word, so we'll just pull one out here. And we've pulled this word before, but we're going to use it. I've duplicated some words, just I guess because I like the word, and I've decided just to go with it. I don't care. It doesn't bother me. So, I've decided that I do like this page. I like it in the photograph, and I like it in the book, and if for no other reason, I like it because I had fun and because it's not like any other page. It's different. All the pages are different. They're pretty much similar techniques and similar style, probably, if you want to call it a style. I have no idea what my style is, to be honest with you. But I like it because if I didn't do this page, I wouldn't have been creating, and it was fun, and I enjoyed it. So, if for any other reason than that, it's good enough for me. So that's that. I like the colors and stuff. So let me do my little squiggly thing here. Okay. Let's just say we're done. Gotta do a little writing. Okay, we're done now. Now we're done. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed just watching and maybe spark a little inspiration. That's my goal. And if it did, great. I hope you're creating pages and having a great day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.